ice falling off the trees. That's where we're going. There's got to be thousands of them here. Okay, I just got back. I got 14 totes here, and some of them were discounted. They're pretty nice totes, actually. Most of these are 275-gallon ones. There's a 330 right here and a 330 right here. You see, the reason why these are discounted is because the base is kind of banged up. This one's been cut off. He gave these two to me, but it looks like a good set here. We'll get those off, get them processed, and so while I was gone, check this out. Look how much ice there is. 32 degrees and raining. Yeah, but the roads weren't bad. Okay, well I just got to the woodlot, and it's the next day. And look at the ice. Look at the ice up here on my wire. You see that? We got a lot of ice overnight. And it sounds like it's raining, but it's not raining. It's the ice falling off the trees. These are the pieces that are falling out of the sky here. All right, so now I just moved the 2 baskets of cherry that were here. There's still more cherry over there that I got to sort it out. But these little blocks, these cherry chunks here, I'm just going to pop these. I'm going to break them into smaller pieces and then put them in this tote with the other little bit of pieces that I have right here. This is a, I believe this is a Collins. This is a Collins axe that I think I bought the head for, I don't know, $5 at a garage sale. And then I just retooled it with a hickory handle. Let's do this. Get them into smaller pieces. And then if somebody wants them for smoking, or if I'm going to make them into charcoal, I can go right from there. And then split them down smaller later. Oh, that's enough. It's a perfect use for this half tote. hear that. It's all the ice falling off the trees. It's crazy. Oh, it's frozen. They're all frozen. I think today, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is the last day of March. And we're still getting crappy weather. Last year in April, I think it was like 17th or something of last year, we got 14 inches of snow here. And the power was out for 6 days. So luckily it was April, so it wasn't too cold out. Gives you a good reason to cuddle. These are beautiful cherry rounds. Really, really nice stuff. When I had rebuilt the 372 XP, these are the pieces I was just playing around with, getting it running right. People are probably sick of watching other people split wood, stack wood, whatever. That's all I got to offer. There's actually more in there than I thought. All right. Decent size. All right, so I got all this pine in the way. I'll just put the pine off to the side so I can reach this, get all this stuff. See this cherry under here, this is what I'm talking about. This little bit of cherry. I'm just gonna throw it into this bin. It didn't take long for me to start sweating because I'm fat. I'll just set some of these up onto the 1165V. It doesn't matter if they're together because I can just sort it out whenever I split them. The last time I was here, I was splitting wood with the 1165V. It's actually the first time I ever ran out of gas with it. Not only did I run out of gas with it, I didn't bring my gas can with me to fill it up. This stuff over here, this is all cherry, but it is older than the stuff that's on the other side of the splitter. It's good. I also sold quite a bit of this for smoker wood. Hey, that one customer, he's quite happy with the smoker wood, and he bought a house and he's had to kind of, not necessarily renovate it, but he's been working at his house all the time, so he's not really doing a lot of cooking and smoking right now. So one of his friends did reach out to me, and I sold him some hickory. I think it's going to turn out to be a pretty decent gig. Right? What's not to love? Cook food, drink beer, stand around and chew the fat with a bunch of your friends. I'm starting to sweat, so. That's oak. Get through that. That's oak. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop recording because it is just every 2 seconds the ice is falling off. You see that? Every 2 seconds the ice is falling off these trees and onto my truck and the trailer and my head. And all right, I'll pick this up maybe tomorrow or the next day. It's April 2nd, 2025, and there's still ice on the ground. These are still frozen. Woo. All right, these were frozen pretty good. There we go. All right, so now what I have to do is, this morning I got a text message from a customer that wants some more firewood, because right now, even though it's April 2nd, it's only like 31 degrees out right now. So I'm still bundled up in my stuff. So we'll get that done. I'm gonna grab the Ford. The wood is over here in this section. Let's do that. Of course, there's 25 things in the way, so. Oh, great. It's snowing again. See that? Yeah, it's snowing again. But, I mean, I'm not going to lie, I did an amazing job. I didn't miss a single piece of wood. I mean, every single piece of wood went directly into the trailer, and I don't even have to pick up any of it. You know, it's not like I even have to edit any of this stuff out. I mean, every single piece was perfect. I don't even have to worry about it. I don't have to pick any up off the ground because YouTube, I mean, I could do an amazing job. I didn't lose any over here either. How amazing is that? I literally didn't lose any. I didn't lose any. It's editing. I can just edit all this stuff out. Everything will be fine. I'll look back and everything will be like, whoa, that guy's amazing. That is amazing. Later.